What is going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Gabe and welcome back to my channel. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and streetwear. For today's video, I am going to share with you guys my thoughts about a product called the Drop Front Sneaker Box. A lot of you guys are asking me questions about, is it worth it to buy? Magkano siya? Saan siya nabibili? So yung first question na gusto kong sagutin is, worth it bang bilhin tong product na to? For me to answer that, I want us to look into a common problem nating mga sneakerheads. Regardless kung hype sneaker collector ka, GR pair collector, or leather shoes yung kino-collect mo, palagi tayo nagkakaproblema sa storage. The number 2 problem is that ang hirap hanapin ng mga sapatos. Yung accessibility mo sa collection mo is not that good. Lalo na pag dumadami na yung collection mo, nagpapatong-patong na yung mga boxes, ang hirap nang itaas ng mga lids para silipin and paminsan nilalaglag pa. So at the end of it all, paminsan hindi mo na nilalagay yung sapatos mo doon sa box. Nakakalat na lang sa floor. Those problems are answered by buying this product. So, yung first problem muna tayo, yung aesthetic, kung maganda ba siyang tingnan. As you can see here, it's a lot more organized versus dun sa dati kong setup. And I am really proud of how it looks right now kasi parang display piece na rin siya sa bahay. I'm happy na nade-display ko yung mga sapatos ko. So, yung second problem naman is accessibility. Transparent yung harapan. So, kitang-kita mo agad yung sapatos. Hindi mo na kailangan taas yung lid kung naka-stack nga sila katulad nito. Bubuksan mo na yung harapan. Kaya nga siya tinawag na drop front sneaker box. And you just have to grab this and then pull it out and then you're good. Yung accessibility, this product answers it as well. Now, that being said, the answer to the first question kung worth it ba siyang bilhin is yes. I highly suggest that you invest on this even if nag-i-start pa lang kayo because you can start collecting sneakers and then you can also start buying piece by piece din nito. Now, let's move on to the second question, which is yung price. Yung price range niya is around 230 to 260 pesos per piece ha, and excluding shipping kung mag-shipping fee pa kayo. So for me, that price range, I think it's okay kasi ina-answer niya yung problema sa storage. 230 to 260, that sounds like it's not that affordable. But guys, I highly suggest that you look into this because this is a good investment kasi maaalagaan nga yung sapatos nyo. Now, number 3, saan siya mabibili? Shout out SHOE.BOXPH. Doon ko nabili yung mga shoe boxes ko and I'm really satisfied with your product. So I will put their links in the description box below para ma-check nyo guys. I think that meron silang distribution outlets sa Cavite, sa Laguna, and sa Pasig. Check their page out. Meron sila sa Facebook and sa Instagram. Alright, so that is it. If you still have questions regarding this topic, this product, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll try to help you guys out kung alam ko yung sagot. Now, we have reached the end of this video, but before we go, gusto ko lang pasalamatan yung mga subscribers ko. Currently, we are 1,700 subscribers right now. I am trying to hit that 2K mark by next month. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do your boy a big favor and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, like mo na din and turn on your notification bell icon below so you won't miss my next video. Once na ma-hit ko yung 2,000 subscriber mark, I will do a giveaway for you guys. Stay tuned for that. This is your boy Gabe signing out. Peace.